Dear student, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Today's welcome to your online class in English second paper. In my last class, I discussed how to change narration from direct into indirect. In my last class, I discussed how to change from direct into indirect of sentence as assertive and interrogative. Now I will discuss how to change from direct into indirect in imperative sentence. I hope you are all very attentive to my class. Now, in my last class, I discussed how to change the two sentences interrogative and assertive. Now imperative. At first you will know the imperative sentence. The imperative sentence starts with the verb. The imperative sentence starts with the verb with the negative verb in do not. Here use don't at first of the sentence. If the sentence is request, they first use the please. And if the sentence is take permission and take proposal, the sentence first use with let. Now at first we will change how to use in reporting verb. Also with the sentence use the first the verb. See, on, obey your teacher. Go home and always do your duty. Here three sentences, but the meaning is separate of the three sentences. Obey your teacher. The sentence expresses the advice. The sentence expresses the advice. So you will have to use in reporting verb advised. So you will have to use advice in reporting verb. And the second sentence go home attend. Simple imperative. So you can use instead of advice told or order. Told or order. And the three sentences the expresses your duty. So you can use here told or advice. Told or advice. And you will use preposition to omit the inverted comma of the direct speech. Now example. Teacher said to the boys, obey your parents. Teacher said to the boys, শিক্ষক ছাত্রদের বলল, obey your parents. তোমার বাবা মাকে মেনে চলো. Here meaning the Bengali meaning of this sentence and the expresses the reported speech advice. So you will have to use instead of reporting verb advice. Teacher advised the boys to obey their parents. We have to know how to change the verb and person in indirect narration in my last classes. You have to know here the person here. Here means boys. We know that the second person change with the object of reporting verb, and first person will have to change with the subject of reporting verb. So you will have to change your with the reporting verb, the boys. The boys is plural number. The boys is plural number. So as here use the plural number of the year is there. So you will have to use there instead of year. And here you can see that the principal verb away. The principal verb has not been changed. Because we all know if any kind of principal verb is used after the preposition to, it is not changeable. So you have to not change the verb after the preposition to, but not other preposition. Now, father said to his son, go to school at once. Here reported speech expresses order or simple imperative or advice. You can use any kind of option, either order, either advice, either told. Order, advice, told. You can use any kind of option in reporting verb. But the best is order. The best is order. As your father told you to do it. So you can use father ordered his son to go to school at once. So I hope you have understood that how to change the imperative sentence if the sentence starts with verb. If the sentence starts with verb, and you can change the sentence in imperative moods. Now, if the sentence use don't, if the sentence is used don't, how to change it? For example, said to the boy, don't leave from my class. Teacher said to the boy, don't leave from my class. শিক্ষক বলল যে আমার ক্লাস এখন ত্যাগ করবে না। I hope you can understand which meaning, but which expression expresses in this sentence. I hope you can understand that your teacher said to do it. So it is order. So it is order from your teacher. So you will use order instead of verb of reporting verb. The answer is the teacher ordered the boy to leave from his class. My is first person, so you will have to change it from the subject of the repetitive verb. I hope you can understand how to change the imperative sentence if the sentence is start with verb and if the sentence is start with done. But I will discuss you any other option if the sentence used with done. Only I show you one example. In my next class, I will discuss you other example if the sentence is used with done. Today this class is ended. I will see you in my next class. Welcome. May Allah bless you.